Hi, I'm Matt Stokely. I'm an employment law attorney here at Pickrel, Schaeffer, and Ebeling, and I'm here today to talk to you about discrimination charges that are filed with the Ohio Civil Rights Commission against your company and what to do when that happens. First off, the Ohio Civil Rights Commission, or OCRC, is a state agency responsible for enforcing the state anti-discrimination laws. These discrimination laws prevent employers from taking adverse action against their employees or their applicants for various prohibited reasons. And some of those reasons include age, race, sex, national origin, disability, and similar characteristics. An adverse action can be a termination of their employment or a failure to promote or failure to hire and things like that. So if a person believes that they're being discriminated against by the company, they have a right to go file a discrimination charge with the OCRC, which conducts an investigation and makes a determination whether discrimination occurs. If discrimination is found to occur, then they'll issue a probable cause finding, in which case the Attorney General will represent the charging party in a litigation against the company. If there's a no probable cause finding, then in most cases that's the end of the case, and even though they may have some rights under some other federal laws, the case is over at least at the state level. So, when you get a charge in the mail, the other big thing to know about is the opportunity to go to Alternative Dispute Resolution, or ADR, to review the possibility of whether this case can get resolved through an agreement. And typically what happens in that case, the parties come in and meet with the mediator. Parties set forth the reasons for their decisions and why they believe that the law was violated or not violated. And then the mediator meets separately with each party and discusses potential settlement terms and to see whether or not a settlement can be reached. If the settlement cannot be reached, then the matter goes to investigation. So in the investigation phase, typically the employer produces a position statement where they outline all the claims and defenses and what the responses are and why the company acted for legitimate business reasons. Then the investigator will review the charges with the charging party and the employer's position, and then decide what other information the investigator needs to complete his work on the case, and then issues a recommendation to the Ohio Civil Rights Commission as to whether or not there's probable cause or not probable cause. So you can see from that brief description, it is a somewhat complicated process, and if you need help in learning about that or answering any questions about that process, I am happy to help. Just call me at the information below.